Welcome to Chemique Adhesives, a UK-based industrial adhesive manufacturer since 1985. In 2025, we celebrate 40 years as a family-run business. Our main site in Aldridge, West Midlands, continues to thrive, supported by a growing team and strategic investments in expansion and new equipment. Over in the US, our Georgia facility, founded in 2005, will be celebrating its 20th anniversary in 2025, driving a distribution network across the States, Middle East and beyond. We produce over 3.5 million litres of adhesives annually in the UK, serving a wide range of applications, including polyurethane adhesives for panel lamination, artificial turf, and access flooring, water-based adhesives for foam, mattresses and furniture, and flammable and non-flammable solvent-based SBR, polyurethane and neoprene formulations for multiple industries. Our cutting-edge lab is equipped with advanced analytical equipment, allowing our chemists to test adhesive properties such as peel adhesion, tensile strength, cure times, and viscosity. This comprehensive analysis ensures we can identify the perfect adhesive solution tailored to your specific needs. See us in action. A recent case study shows how we boosted a manufacturer's efficiency when bonding its thermal laminate composite board with the right adhesive and application equipment. Our toll manufacturing service means we can produce and package adhesives according to your exact specifications. Our state-of-the-art mixers are capable of manufacturing various products across a range of viscosities, including polyurethanes, hot melts, epoxies, water-based adhesives, and more. Our engineers can design and install spray booths, pump systems, hot melters, and automated systems, backed by ongoing support ranging from production process advice to regular servicing. For a greener future, we prioritize sustainability. Our water-based and hot melt adhesives provide eco-friendly, safer options, and where possible, we're committed to incorporating bio-based materials into our products. Let's connect and form the perfect bond. Visit chemiqueadhesives.com.